In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newsletter in Beehiiv. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive into the process of creating an engaging newsletter that not only reaches your audience, but really resonates with them. First things first. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and sign up for a Beehiiv account. It's straightforward. Just head over to their website, and you'll find the sign-up option right on the homepage. Once you've gotten yourself set up and logged in, you're going to land on your dashboard. This is essentially your command center. Here, you'll see various stats related to your previous newsletters, your subscriber count, and a few other important metrics. It might look a little overwhelming at first, but don't worry, we'll walk through everything step by step. Your first task is to create a new newsletter. Look for a button or link that says something like Create Newsletter. Click on that, and you'll be taken to a new screen where you can start crafting your content. Now let's talk about the basics of newsletter creation. Beehiiv gives you several options regarding the format of your newsletter. You can choose from templates, or you can start from scratch. If you're a visual person and prefer a guided setup, picking a template can save you a lot of time. Just click on Choose Template, and you'll see a variety of designs. Scroll through and find one that fits your brand or the vibe you're aiming for. Once you've selected a template, you can start editing. This is the fun part, because you get to inject your personality into the newsletter. You can change the title, add a subtitle, or even customize the color scheme. Don't be afraid to play around with these options until it feels just right. Next, let's add your content. You will find sections for text, images, links, and more. To add text, click on the appropriate section and start typing. Make sure you have a clear headline to grab attention, and format the body text so it's easy to read. Use short paragraphs, bullet points, or even subheadings if it helps break things up. Incorporating images can really elevate your newsletter. If you have images ready, look for an Add Image button and upload them directly from your computer. You could also use stock images relevant to your content. Just remember, visuals can enhance your message, so choose wisely. Now, let's not forget about links. If you have blog posts, social media profiles, or any other resources you'd like your readers to access, this is the time to add those links. Whether you're directing them to your website, a helpful article, or a promotional offer, hyperlinks can make your newsletter more dynamic and interactive. Once you've populated your newsletter with content, it's time to think about how you want to send it out. Beehiiv allows you to segment your audience, which means you can customize who sees what in your newsletter. If you have a diverse subscriber list, this feature can help ensure that the right people are getting the right information. After you've organized your audience segments, it's time for the final touches. Go through your newsletter one last time to proofread your text for any typos or errors. The editing phase is crucial because you want to present your best self to your audience. When you feel satisfied with your creation, look for the option to send or schedule your newsletter. If you choose to schedule it, you can pick a specific date and time for your email to hit the inboxes of your subscribers. Finally, don't forget to monitor the performance of your newsletter after it's sent. Check back into your Beehiiv dashboard to see how many people opened your email, clicked on links, and engaged with your content. This data can be instrumental in refining your newsletter strategy for the future. So that wraps up our lesson on how to create a newsletter in Beehiiv. Thanks for joining me today, and if you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. I can't wait to see what you create. And happy newsletter.